2026 Kia Sorento 2.2 CRDi AWD invites you into a driving experience designed to feel both familiar and surprisingly refined. When you first walk up to it, you notice how confidently it stands. The sharper lines, the wider stance, and the modern interpretation of Kia's signature front fascia immediately give you the impression that this SUV is built for drivers who want practicality without sacrificing sophistication. As you get closer, the full LED lighting, the sculpted hood, and the clean aerodynamic profile start telling their own story, one of efficiency, stability, and strength, even before you get behind the wheel. The Sorento gives you the sense that this is a vehicle made for real journeys, not just daily errands. Once you settle into the cabin, you appreciate the effort Kia has poured into comfort and clarity. You're surrounded by materials that feel upscale but not overdone. From the soft-touch dashboard to the thoughtfully stitched seating, the widescreen digital display blends seamlessly with the infotainment system, giving you an intuitive interface that responds quickly and feels immediately natural. Visibility is generous, the seating position is confident, and the cabin insulation keeps the atmosphere calm even at higher speeds. As you rest your hands on the steering wheel, the controls fall exactly where you expect them, making the experience feel familiar from the start. The Sorento doesn't try to overwhelm you with unnecessary complexity. It simply gives you the tools you need to enjoy the drive. Start the engine, and the 2.2-liter CRDi diesel makes its presence known with a smooth, steady tone. It's a powertrain built for real-world use, delivering enough torque to move this AWD SUV with ease while maintaining strong fuel efficiency. Out on the Autobahn with no speed limit holding you back, the Sorento reveals its composure. As you press the accelerator, the power delivery feels linear and confident, letting you build speed with assurance rather than hesitation. The steering remains stable at high velocities, and the all-wheel drive system keeps the SUV planted even as the road opens up ahead of you. You feel the suspension work in to absorb imperfections without losing its connection to the road, and the cabin remains impressively quiet, allowing you to stay focused on the drive. What stands out most during a top-speed run is not just how fast the Sorento can go, but how comfortable and controlled it feels while doing it. The diesel engine's strength shines when overtaking, giving you the confidence to commit to every move. The vehicle's balance and predictable behavior make the experience feel less like a test of limits and more like a demonstration of refined capability. As you settle back into a cruising rhythm, the Sorento continues to deliver a sense of quiet confidence that many SUVs in its class struggle to match. The 2026 Sorento 2.2 CRDi AWD ultimately represents a modern take on what a diesel SUV can be. It blends long-distance efficiency, everyday usability, and high-speed composure into one well-rounded package. It's a reminder that diesel power still has a clear purpose, especially when paired with engineering focused on stability, comfort, and genuine driver confidence. If you want a vehicle that supports your ambitions on the open road while keeping your experience grounded, clear, and enjoyable, this Sorento shows exactly what that feels like.